If you have ADHD, task managers can either help you focus or completely overwhelm you. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing LunaTask versus Todoist specifically for ADHD, focusing on which one makes it easier to stick with day after day, not which one has the most features. Why ADHD changes the equation. With ADHD, the problem isn't focusing on tasks, it's too many tasks at once, feeling behind, and also decision fatigue. So the best tool isn't the most powerful, it's the one that reduces mental load. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which will allow you to sign up to either one of these tools to test them out for completely free. Now let's dive in. The core difference between these platforms are Todoist is built to capture everything, while LunaTask on the other hand is built to help you focus on less. That single difference affects how ADHD friendly each one feels. Now, Todoist for ADHD. Todoist is very good at quick capture, reminders, and automations. By the way, this is how your Todoist dashboard will look. And all you need to do to capture or add a task, you'll simply tap on Add Task in the top left-hand corner. And you can either choose the type in the task, or you can simply tap right here and you will be able to record it using their new feature, which is Rumble. You'll also be able to set reminders and so on. As you can see right here, by tapping here, you'll be able to add more actions. So this is a good feature, but for ADHD, that can turn into long task lists, constant notifications, and feeling like you're always behind. If you're highly structured, it can work. If you're easily overwhelmed, it can become noisy. On the other hand, let's look at LunaTask for ADHD. LunaTask is intentionally calmer. Tasks are lightweight, easy to schedule, and not constantly shouting for attention. As you can see right here, to create a task, you'll simply go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on the plus. From there, you can tap on New Task, and you'll be able to add your new task right here. You can also choose the priority. You can also tap right here, and from here, you can tap on the calendar icon, and you can defer until when. You are given numerous options. You can also set up recurring tasks. This matters for ADHD because it reduces constant switching, and you don't see everything at once. Todoist can do this with projects and filters, but it takes more setup and maintenance. And also, if we were to talk about planning without pressure, LunaTask lets you review tasks, choose what feels realistic today, and adjust without penalty. Flexibility is often better for ADHD brains. By the way, if you'd like to watch a full tutorial on how to set up LunaTask, I'll be linking that video in the description. While with Todoist, it relies heavy on due dates, daily task lists that can feel motivating or stressful. And final recommendation for ADHD. Which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose Todoist if you are great with structure and you like reminders and automations, while on the other hand, I would recommend you choose LunaTask if you get overwhelmed easily and you want fewer decisions and you value calm over urgency. Personally, I use LunaTask and I've left a discount link below that you can use to sign up.